picked up the boys?
Look at, the boys are knocked out. We're in the cottage, about to start our grandkids, G-mom's sleepover at my cousin's. Look at him. Jacob is rough, huh? And then here's Nola. Nola's in there.
Wait, before you show me.
And this is Chili talking about weight so she can get camera ready. And this is me. Show me. Let me get back. Hey. Look at who I have in the bed next to me in the cottage. I got Jacob. He is knocked out cold. Snoring all night. I didn't get any sleep. I was up every 45 minutes. And as loud as I'm talking, he's still snoring. Can you hear him? I gave him some cold medicine because he was coughing, and the other kids, two of the other kids, I gave them cold medicine. The sleepover we had was fun. And my poor cousin Bridget, she feel like she drew the short straw. So next time we do this, I have to make sure I bring all the blankets. At the very least, because she did a lot to make everybody comfortable. So the rest of the kids are still asleep. Nala, I haven't heard a peep out of her. I gotta check her because she's, oh, okay, I just heard her. She heard her name. And so I gotta quickly get up, get ready real fast, wash my face, brush my teethuses, and then take Nala to let her use the restroom. In fact, I probably should take her out now. And then I'll go ahead and get get Jacob. He's out, so he'll be all right for me to just walk the dog in the grass. And it's cold outside too, so he'll be all right. And then as soon as I get that taken care of, I'll take Jacob inside the house and Nala in the house, and then I'm gonna help Bridget cook. And as the kids start waking up, I'll start sorting through them, get them moving. But as loud as I'm talking, out like a light. If we didn't have things to do today, man, oh man, oh my gosh. He got hot. We were very comfortable, and then I had too many blankets on, and then the heat was too hot for me especially. He got hot too because he kicked the blankets off. So I adjusted the air, the furnace and the electric heater, and I adjusted it too low, so then we got real cold, especially him. I saw that he was in a ball, so then I had to put blankets on him and I had to adjust the heat again. But I think we got it right now because he's in a good sleeping position. He's spread out. He's gonna make me start coughing. I'm still not over my sinusitis. The doctor told me it takes 6 to 8 weeks to finally get healed, but I'm not contagious or anything, but I'll show you the other kids later. What do we do? Real quick, what do? They made some cookies that were nasty. I got them from Costco. So they decorated cookies like how you decorate a gingerbread house. They all said that the cookies were nasty. We tried to watch 2 Christmas movies. That didn't work. Them boys were not having it. They wasn't thinking about them Christmas movies. Bridget and I, we enjoyed some wine. We couldn't even really enjoy our wine good because the kids, they wouldn't go to sleep. But when they finally went to sleep, heck, we were sleepy too. But I brought that wine. Where'd that bottle go? I put it in the trash. I finished. It was about this much wine in there. I finished that wine off. I sure did, right in here. All right. I'm just cracking up. I'm thinking about these kids are knocked out. They deserve it. They're running around crazy yesterday. They deserve it. That's my baby. Now we just have 3 other kids. My 3 oldest granddaughters. They're missing. They're MIA. I tried to call them. Couldn't get through to any of them. But yeah, I couldn't reach them. Hopefully I'll reach them soon. But yeah, we had all the rest. We had Bridget's grandson, Weston. So we had all the little ones. The big ones wouldn't have wanted to be involved with this anyway. There's too many little kids. Uh-oh. I'm talking too loud. Look at his face. Y'all hear that? That's my baby. Yeah, get that stretch out. Get that stretch out. All right. See y'all in a minute. They playing the game. I told them they had to sit and whoever gets up first lost. And they in it to win it. They doing good.
So if we go like this, does that count?
Huh? If you scoot, well, don't do too much moving. Yeah, don't do too much moving. Oh wow, so you got extra.
We don't have candles, so make it rain, make it rain.
He said, make it rain, make it rain.
There you go, buddy. Alright. Don't carry this at home, only your friend's house, okay?
Only your friend's house.
Fireworks.
He said, what you're not going to do is keep quiet.
Okay. You're good. You're a big boy. Yeah, we just playing with you. He just playing. Good?
Put those boots on, bro.
We had such a wonderful time, and I hope you got to watch all the way to the end. Run it a couple of times, please. I need to get these hours up. I need to get the views up. I need to get the subscribers up. And each and every one of you are definitely appreciated. And thank you so much for just letting me share my experiences and my family with you. Y'all take care.